Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 63. Cosmetic. What's your favorite cosmetic item? My favorite cosmetic item is a cherry red lipstick. When did you buy it? I bought it in a local cosmetic shop. How often do you use it? Almost every day. I sometimes change the color. How did it change your physical appearance? Oh. At first, I was hesitant to try because I thought it wouldn't match my skin undertone, but when putting it on, the cherry red color did make me more charming and gorgeous. Is it expensive? Nope. It is under $21 only. Is the brand name famous? Is the brand name famous? Yes, I think. C is well known all around the world. C lipstick is an iconic product of the producer. How important are cosmetics according to you? Well, frankly, cosmetics are really important to women, although I agree that the true beauty does come from inside. Is it important to have a good-looking appearance? Sure. You will be given more opportunities if you're good-looking. Are cosmetics harmful? Yes, I guess. Some toxic chemicals in cosmetics may cause skin cancer. Do you think beauty products are a waste of money? Not really. As for me, I just spend my saving money on cosmetics. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.